Welcome to Autofocus Review. Today, we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Kawasaki KX 500. This iconic machine has been reimagined for the modern era, blending its storied heritage with cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the motocross scene, the KX 500 promises an exhilarating experience. Let's explore what makes this bike a true standout. A legacy reimagined. The original KX 500, introduced in the 1980s, was renowned for its raw power and dominant presence on the track. Fast forward to 2025, Kawasaki has meticulously crafted a machine that pays homage to its predecessor while embracing advancements that enhance performance and rider comfort. The new KX 500 is not just a motorcycle, it's a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to excellence and innovation. Powerhouse performance. At the heart of the 2025 KX 500 lies a liquid-cooled, four-stroke, single-cylinder engine. This powerhouse delivers robust torque and impressive horsepower, ensuring riders have the thrust needed to conquer both tracks and trails. The engine's design emphasizes reliability and efficiency, allowing for longer rides with fewer interruptions. Whether you're accelerating out of a corner or tackling a steep ascent, the KX 500 responds with vigor and precision. Advanced suspension and handling. Handling is paramount in motocross, and the KX 500 excels with its state-of-the-art suspension system. The front features a 49mm Showa inverted telescopic coil spring fork, offering adjustable compression and rebound damping. This setup ensures optimal front-end stability and responsiveness. The rear suspension boasts Kawasaki's Unitrack system with a gas-charged shock and piggyback reservoir, providing a balanced and controlled ride over varied terrains. With 12 inches of will travel both front and rear, the KX 500 absorbs bumps and jumps effortlessly, keeping you in command. Ergonomics and rider comfort. Kawasaki understands that rider comfort directly impacts performance. The KX 500 incorporates the ERGO-Fit system, allowing riders to customize handlebar positions to suit their preferences. This adaptability ensures that riders of all sizes can find their ideal stance, reducing fatigue and enhancing control. The seat design offers a perfect blend of comfort and grip, enabling seamless movement during aggressive riding maneuvers. Cutting-edge technology. Embracing modern technology, the 2025 KX 500 comes equipped with smartphone connectivity through Radiology the app KX. This feature allows riders to fine-tune engine settings, monitor performance metrics, and keep track of maintenance schedules directly from their mobile devices. Such integration ensures that your KX 500 is always performing at its peak, tailored to your riding style and the conditions at hand. Braking precision. Stopping power is as crucial as acceleration, and the KX 500 doesn't disappoint. The front brake system features a single semi-floating 270mm disc with a dual-piston caliper, while the rear utilizes a 240mm disc with a single-piston caliper. This combination provides consistent and reliable braking performance, giving riders the confidence to push their limits knowing they can control their speed with precision. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki KX 500 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a fusion of heritage and innovation. Kawasaki has successfully resurrected a legend, infusing it with modern advancements that cater to today's riders. Whether you're chasing podium finishes or seeking the thrill of off-road adventures, the KX 500 is engineered to deliver unparalleled performance and excitement. Experience the legacy. Ride the future. Embrace the 2025 Kawasaki KX 500.